I'm back with some human hair from my most favorite human hair wig company, and that's NadulaHair. If you've been rocking on this channel for a while, you know that they are my most favorite company because we have gotten so many winners from them. If you look in that description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to the wig that I'm reviewing, but also a direct link to their website for you to look around. If you go up in the search bar and you type Wigs and Wonderlust Nadula, you'll probably see 50 million videos. Okay, maybe not that many, but you'll see a ton because I absolutely love NadulaHair. Okay, so all I've done is take this out of shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So to speak on why I love Nadula, they just give us so much extra. Before I even open this wig up, I know there's gonna be a lot of extra goodies in the bag. Okay, so they put the wig in this little iridescent bag that I think is so cute for storage, and it has their name on it. But they've also included the traditional storage sack, the silk sack with their name on it too. So that's cute. Now look, when I open up this, look, the box won't even stay closed because I know they got so many goodies in here. All right, yes, like always. So in the box, they've also included an edge band with their name on it. They've included a brush that has their branding on it as well. They've given us some stocking caps. Then I opened this other little sack. Let's see what they have in here. They've given us some more HD stocking caps. They've given us some press-on nails, and y'all know I'm the press-on nail queen. Okay, so some press-on nails, and they've given us another band, edge band with their name on it. So they're always looking out. I reviewed a wig from them, I want to say last week I filmed it, and they included a small mini flat iron in it. So that matters as you buy this hair, because buying human hair is an investment because you got to spend some money. So those little extras matter because some companies don't give any extra. All right, the wig that I got from them is 24 inches long. It's a Yaki Kinky straight. And I think that's it. Like I said, look in the description box. You see all the other details. Okay, they've also included an elastic band for us to put in this wig. Now, I remember what I ordered. This wig, first of all, check that texture. But this is one of their wigs where everything's been pre-done for you. You don't have to cut anything. You don't have to pluck anything. Like, everything has been done for you. Y'all look at that, straight out of the pack on my hand. Absolutely gorgeous. As far as the cap construction, you get quite a bit of parting space. Like I said, look in the description box. I can't remember what I ordered, but you'll see it down there. And you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and you get this, I always say adhesive band, but it's not sticky to touch, but it makes the wig lay flat to the back of your head. And they have the slots for us to put in this wig to make this wig truly glueless. Before I cut, or not really cut, before I flat iron it, because I am gonna run a flat iron through it, I think. I always like to show you what it looks like right out of the pack, so let me attach this band and I'll be right back. All right, so I've attached the band and I just wanna put it on and show it to you before I do anything to this wig. All right, so this is it straight out of the pack. And y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. Because of the parting space that you get, of course, you can wear this to the left, right. You can do some half up, half down styles. This is just a bomb unit. And that's what we get when we get a unit from NadulaHair. All right, y'all, look at that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a flat iron through this. I don't have to do much. I really could brush it probably and be okay. But I'm gonna run a flat iron like through it slightly, haphazardly, because y'all know I'm lazy. And then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Tell me what's
right, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I ended up not flat ironing it because I didn't want to manipulate the texture too much because I wanted y'all to see what you would get when you got home. And that was it. And this wig, I ran a brush through it. And this wig was just gorgeous. This was my hot comb, and it was just to try to take out some of the bumps that were in the wig from shipping. I don't have a single con about this wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. This wig fits comfortably. It is beginner friendly. It is affordable. It is amazing quality. Because there is no lace to cut off, it's truly glueless, wear and go. I'm not getting any shedding, and I doubt I get any tangling due to the texture of this unit. It's bomb. You definitely need it. Like I said, if you look in that description box, I put a direct link to where you can purchase this unit from NadulaHair. Because this one is a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. If this is too long for you, y'all look at it at this length. It's still very, very cute. And even if you did a little bob, that would also be cute. So definitely recommend them, you guys. Until next time, which will be very soon.